Baka mamaya magmano ka na sa akin.
Hey, wow!
Hello everyone, hello Cebu. Cebu Press. It's nice to be back here on a very, very special weekend for you guys, and thanks for making time. So, The Loved One is a script that was sent to my inbox by our very beautiful Inside and Out director. And then, that was a time na wala akong interest gumawa ng love story. So hindi ko talaga siya binasa. And then lumipas yung maraming panahon na kasi yung hinahanap ko nun yung mga medyo gritty, ganyan, or medyo thriller, or medyo something really heavy because I was in the mood for like heavy films. And then one day nakita kami ni Direk Irene, we were introduced by Jerome Tapoles. And then I said, "Uy, wait, hold on. You're Direk Irene." Ganyan. She says, "Yes." Sabi niya, "Oo, ako yung tinanggihan mo." Of course, that's the entertaining kwento. But that was basically the story, and I said, "Oh my God, yes. I remember that. Oh, I'm really sorry." But I was honest naman, and I said, I was not in the mood to do love stories. So, ayoko kasi magpaligoy-ligoy na, and I don't want to, waste people's time. So, nakita ulit kami, for some reason, in a span of 1 week, nakita ulit kami, 3 beses kami nakita. Tapos kami yung una nag-date. Sabi ko sa kanya, "Are you available for dinner?" Ganyan. "Are you free for dinner?" Because I saw her somewhere lunch, and then dinner. And then she said, "Yes, puntahan kita." At a restaurant that we both like, kung saan namin diniscuss yung The Loved One. And then, yeah, that dinner was 3-4 hours long. And then we really got along. And then I said, "Direk, gawin na natin itong pelikula na to." But the journey didn't stop there. We didn't have a leading lady. Matagal na yung script ni Direk na sinulat niya. And I'm not sure if gusto niya ikwento kung sino yung mga pairs and actors that she tried to get. But then I was like, "No, we have to work on this one." And then so, nagkatulong kaming dalawa, we discussed the script, and then we started looking for the right actor. And then, of course, it landed. We found ourselves at the same cafe restaurant kasi kami nag-meet with Ann Curtis. And then we started dancing, and then we started singing, and then we said, "Yes." And then sabi niya, "Tagal mo naman maabot sa akin." Sabi niya. And then that was the beginning of The Loved One. And then Anne was the perfect person, an actor to play the role of Ellie because she really understood the complexity of that character. So, and ako naman, parang I told Direk na, "Oh my God, this is like, I'm so familiar with this kind of story." Sabi ko. And it would be, in my head, it would be a shame to not do something like this. And then, of course, with Ann Curtis and with her previously in Dagdag. Napanood ko yung Sid and I niya years ago. And I said, I really dreamt of working with her, with Anne, and with Pao, our cinematographer, because of the lighting. Sid and I was so beautiful that I literally felt jealousy. I was like, I want to be in that. I want to work with them. So so this is like a dream come true.